Oh, good evening. Well, no, it's not a good evening. We've got a serious snowstorm that's come up over here in the area I'm in. This map shows the um, shows the conditions right now in the area I'm at, but um, also am dealing with all of the roads being closed in the area. Well, they're not closed, but there's no travel advisories, so it is um, pretty messed up in this area. If I can show you a little bit better. Uh, the roads are pretty messed up here in the area that I am, and there's obviously no travel advisories. Now, I wasn't sure how far south that this storm went until I noticed this article on YouTube where they were talking about how bad the weather was, even down from the Kansas border over to Colorado. So I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but they're showing some video of the blizzard conditions and how bad it is in Colorado right now. So um, it's pretty bad out there apparently. So trucks are pulled over, roads are closed, and it's just nasty in general. But um, yeah, the area that we're in is not good. I don't know any other way to put it. It's just not good. So um, I can't get my map right. There we go. So this storm is pretty big, going north, South Dakota, Nebraska, western Kansas, and even down to the Denver area. It's a pretty massive storm. Fortunately, none of my guys are in that area, and they're probably really happy about that. Let me look and see where these guys are at. Hold on. Um, Let me see where my guys are at. I know they're around here somewhere. Let me pull this up. Uh, I have one guy that chose to, um, let's see. Sorry, too many buttons. I have one guy that he's up on the edge of it, and another guy down by Omaha, and another guy headed down here in southern Illinois. So I don't know. I think the only guy that's really going to see it is my guy up here on the north side of the map. So yeah, but I've been trying to keep these guys out of the snow. I've been doing a lot of short haul with them because the rates have been kind of bad. The rates are good for the truck on short haul, but you know the driver doesn't get that big paycheck um, like he would if we took a 3,000 mile run for $3,000 as opposed to a 100 mile run for $500. Uh, One way makes the truck money, the other way makes the driver money, and right now I am trying to do a as much of a balance as possible between the driver making money and the truck making money. And with the rates the way they are for the holidays, it takes a lot of work. I was swamped all day long, and trying to get these guys loads, trying to deal with the various issues that they came up with today. But at any rate, hey, if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'm over there as Grumpy Biker 67, and I am moving away from TikTok to YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you came from TikTok, that you subscribe to me on YouTube, and if you're seeing me on YouTube for the first time, I stream a lot of different stuff. I make a lot of different types of video, mostly gaming and trucking, depending on the day of the week it is. So, all right, you guys take it easy.